Hello guys, if you understand English but you can't speak, then this video is for you. So please don't skip this video and watch this video till the very end. Okay, this video is going to solve your problem. Okay, if you understand but you can't speak, you are still stuck, take a deep breath and watch this video. Okay. So my dear friends, this is the most frustrating problem for English learners. You understand everything, but you cannot speak anything. You read English newspapers. You watch Netflix with English audio. Your teacher's grammar class is 100% clear to you. But when you have to make one sentence in front of someone, your mind goes completely blank. Why does this happen? Because understanding English and speaking English use two different parts of your brain. Understanding is called input. It is a passive skill. Okay, like watching cricket. You know all the rules, you can enjoy the match, but that does not mean you can bat like Virat Kohli, right? So guys, speaking is output. It is an active skill. You have to go on the ground and play. For years you only gave your brain input like listening, reading, grammar, but you gave zero output. So guys, speaking practice, zero output to speaking practice. So guys, your brain is a big library of English, but the door is locked. Okay, the key to open that door is not more grammar. No, the key is speaking without fear. Yes, the main key is speaking without fear. You need to understand this, then only you can start speaking. Okay, so guys, start with one wrong sentence daily. Just don't take more attention on mistakes. Your brain will slowly connect understanding to speaking. And yeah, remember, silent understanding will never become confident speaking until you open your mouth. So guys, start speaking today. If you understand English but you can't speak, this is the only solution. You have to start speaking with one wrong sentence daily, and you are good to go. Okay, I hope now you understand what I said. So please follow this and you can speak English fluently. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Thank you so much for your support and love. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe and support my channel. And thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you. Take care. All the best and keep going. Bye bye.